In this video, I am going to explain design a syndrome calculator. Design syndrome calculator for a n comma k cyclic code. First one, to design syndrome calculator, first we need q number of syndrome registers numbered from S0, S1 and so on and so forth, SQ-1. To design a syndrome calculator, first we need q number of registers numbered from S0, S1 and so on, SQ-1. This one is S0, S1, S2, S Q-2, S Q-1. To design syndrome calculator, first we need q number of registers numbered from S0, S1 and so on and so forth, SQ-1. Modulo 2 adder is a modulo 2 adder. Modulo 2 adder is placed between any pair of registers. These are the modulo 2 adders placed in between any pair of registers. Here in front of first register S0, some modulo 2 adder is placed here. Third point, here third point here is the first difference between the encoder and the syndrome calculator is that the modulo 2 adder between the first register and the last register was included after the last register in the encoder, and in the syndrome calculator the modulo 2 adder is included before the first register. In In case of syndrome calculator, modulo 2 adder is included before the first register. These registers will be acting as shift registers. These registers will be acting as shift register. Shown. Initially, to design a syndrome calculator, we need a Q number of registers numbered from S0, S1, S2, SQ minus 2, and so on. So SQ minus 1. Where Q is equal to suppose 7,4 cyclic code, Q is equal to 7 minus 4, that is equal to 3. 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. S2 means S0, S1, S2. 3 registers are needed, numbered from S0, S1, and S2, because Q is equal to 3. 3 number of registers are required. Place modulo 2 adder, 1, 2, like that. Modulo 2 adder is placed any pair of registers. One more important point here is in front of first register, another additional modulo 2 adder is added. Shown in this figure. This is the additional modulo 2 adder. Next, fourth point here is fifth point, not fourth. Fifth point. The fourth point is these registers will be acting as shift registers. Next, we need the design circuitry need the above circuit. The above circuit need Q minus 1 number of gates required numbered from G1, G2, G Q minus. Suppose example 7,4 cyclic code. Q is equal to 7 minus 4. That means 3. 3 registers are required, numbered from S0, S1, and so on, SQ minus 1. That means S0, S1, Q minus 1 means 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1, that is 2. S0, S1, S2. 3 registers are Q is equal to 3 means 3 registers are required, numbered from not S1 and S2. From G1, G2, G, Q minus 1. Q minus 1 means 3 minus 1. Q minus 1 means 3 minus 1, that is equal to numbered from G1, G2. 2 gates are required, numbered from G1 and G2. Like that. Okay. The above circuit needed Q minus 1 number of gates are required. Here, the gate, this one is G1, this one is G2. This one is G, Q minus 1 gates required here. Next point, important point here is sixth point. The gate value, that means G1, G2, and so on and so forth, GQ minus 1, is derived from generator polynomial. The gate value is derived from generator polynomial equation. Therefore, G of P is equal to P power Q plus G of Q minus 1, P power Q minus 1, G of Q minus 2, P power Q minus 2, and so on and so forth, G power 1 into P plus 1. If the value of G is equal to 1 in the G of P equation, it forms a closed path. It forms a closed path. This is the sixth point, very, very important. Else it forms an open path. Seventh point is the connections. Then connection is established between the gates and resistors. Then connection is established between the gates and the resistors. Here, connection. This is the connection established between, these are the modular 2 adders, gates and shift resistors, like that. Here gate is connected here. Here gate is connected here. Here gate is connected here, like that. This one is the syndrome. This one is the syndrome. All gates, shift registers, and modular 2 adders are connected like that. Here, one more important point here is the switch is there. Here closer switch. Here the switch is connected here. This is very, very important. At the input to that syndrome calculator is a received code word. Received code word. Received code. This is the entire actual circuit, like that. Next important point here is 8.1. Here including the switch is included. The switch is included. Shown in figure. Initially, the switch is closed and the gate is connected to the receiver. Initially, the switch is closed. This is initially the switch is closed, shown in figure. That means here the switch is closed means acts as short circuit. The output of that last resistor is connected to gates. This is Q minus 1 is the last resistor is connected to gates, and the received bits are shifted into shift registers. The received bits gets shifted to Y is the received code word consists of some n bits. The received bits are shifted into this into these registers. After all the n received bits gets shifted, the register contains the syndrome. The remaining bits are the syndrome values. The syndrome vector is collected from this point. 10th important point here is initially the switch is closed and the last register connected to gates. Output of the last register is connected to gate. Gates. Next. The received bits, that means Y is the received code word. The received bits are shifted to the shift registers. Received bits gets shifted to the shift registers. After all the n received bits get shifted, the registers contains the syndrome. Last point here is the switch is opened. The switch is opened. The output is connected to the syndrome bits. This is the actual description of the syndrome calculator. Yes, Q number of registers are required numbered from S0 to S0, S1, and so on and so forth, SQ minus 1. Second point, these registers are called as shift registers. Second point here is Q minus 1 number of gates are required, numbered from G1, G2 up to GQ minus 1. Here shift registers are numbered from S0, S1, and so on and so forth, SQ minus 1. Gates, Q minus 1 gates are numbered from G1, G2, GQ minus 1. Modulo 2 adder is placed in any pair of registers shown in figure. One more important point here is extra modulo 2 adder is placed in front of this, included in front of this first register. Connections, the shift registers as well as gates and modulo 2 adders are added shown in figure. The syndrome is collected at the output point. Received bit is applied, received code word is applied here. Switch is also included in the circuit. The switch is closed initially. That means the output of the last register, that is SQ minus, is connected to gates shown in figure. The received code word bits are shifted into these registers. last after all bits are completed, the remaining bits at these registers, that is S0 and S1, S2 and so on and so forth, SQ minus 1 are the syndrome vector. At that instant, the switch is opened, collect this syndrome vector. This is the actual description of the design a syndrome calculator for n comma k cyclic code.